Hey everyone, Brandon here. So today we have a special unboxing. This is a sponsored video by Reli. This is the Reli Light Cam D1. It is not currently out yet, but if you want some more information, there will be a link in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna do an unboxing video as well as a sample size video, I guess. We're going to try it for different ways. Now this camera has many brackets that you can use. You can strap it to some tree branches, you can screw it onto some walls, you can there's little bendy arms, or you can wrap it around maybe a pole or something. There's a lot of different brackets in this, and I believe you can also do a solar panel with it, so that is pretty awesome as well. This is a 1080p 156 wide angle lens, so you're going to be able to use it for security if needed, or maybe you just want to see who's coming by the house, maybe dropping off some packages or whatnot. Now there are different things that you can use it for. There's an app for the camera. It can identify species of birds and animals that stop by the camera if you're using it for bird viewing, or maybe squirrel viewing, or just wildlife in general. And there's also a pretty interesting, I think it's kind of funny, is that it has a voice to animal translation. So if you speak to the camera or something, it'll speak to the bird species or animal species in their language, which I think is pretty cool, pretty humorous in a way. I don't know if it really would work or not, but I think it'd be pretty cool if it actually did work. Now there are also tags in the app that you can use. So for different cameras, I believe you can set it up for like birds, people, cars, dogs, wildlife in general, security. I don't know if there's a robber one, maybe someone at night trying to rob your house or not. So another great thing about this camera, that it has a 7,800 milliamp hour battery. It can work in temperatures from 4 degrees Fahrenheit up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and that there is a spotlight on it as well for nighttime. So the box is empty. We're going to go ahead and open up the camera first. So this is the packaging that you would get. Now I can't guarantee that this is the final design, but it looks pretty close to it, if I would say so myself. Now is a slide open pack, and let's see, let me open it from here. Open it from the top. Alright. Do have some instruction booklets, I'm sure, right here. We have our main bracket that most people will use, which is the screw on a wall, and your camera would be held right there. There is a USB to USB Type-C port, which is always a plus to me. You know how I love USB Type-C ports. And of course, some little screws and anchors. And for the biggest part, here is the camera itself. Let's go ahead, peel off that plastic real quick, and there we go. Look at that. Now this does weigh about a half a pound in total, and there is a speaker on the back, the mounting bracket there. Reli logo with a QR code at the bottom. There's also a bracket mount there, and that is actually a rubberized texture on the bottom. Now right here we would have our light. Here is our motion detector sensor, I believe, and then obviously the camera lens is there. We do have 2 side ports. Now this one is for a micro SD card, which they were gracious enough to give us a 32 gigabyte one, and then a power button below right there. So I'm gonna go ahead, turn it on, see if it has any juice.
Welcome to the Reli Light Cam D1. Waiting to connect.
So I might as well connect it while I'm at it. So we're in the app. I'm adding a device.
Waiting to connect.
The Reli is, I guess, the name. I call it Reli, but the Reli is it, I assume.
Waiting to connect.
It tells us that we can scan the QR code either with the camera to our phone, or we can use our phone to the bottom. I'm going to try the phone to the bottom part. Alright, after we connected, it says congratulations on the phone. This is what it sounds like when I'm talking to it. I'm not sure if you can hear that through the mic or not. What you're hearing is through the phone, that little echo. So once we do that, as you can see the other settings, there's a sound setting, picture setting next to that. In the middle, we have a video recording if you want to record video live. Next to that, we have a alarm that can go off, and I think that is through the motion sensor. If someone goes past it, an alarm will go off. And then beside that, we have a light feature. I'm gonna go ahead and do the light real quick. And there we go. So that is that spotlight that I was talking to you about that you can use. And you can actually dim it if you want to. And that's the lowest dim it will go. And then that's the highest dim it will go. So pretty cool in general. I don't know how much battery the light would actually use. I'm assuming it's LED, obviously. So it's not going to use tons, but you have to remember this is 7,800 milliamps. So if you do use the live version a lot, it's actually going to deplete the battery quite a bit, but always a good thing to have. And let's go over all the rest of our goodies that we got. Desk and fence stand. So let's see what this is all about. Clamp, I guess, that you could put on a fence post or on your desk if you wanted to with a bendy arm. The bendy arm does bend in all different directions. You can have it however you want. And that is a strong clamp. It is rubberized on the bottom as well. So I'm just going to clamp that right there for now and just leave it. Now here is a strap mount. This is the mount I assume you would use if you're going to strap it around a tree or a branch or something that's a little too big for any of the other mounts. You would definitely use this strap mount. So here we have a ground stand, so I assume that you would screw this into the ground. It actually is extremely heavy duty. And there's some other parts in the bottom here, and here's your little stake that you would put into the ground if you wanted to use it that way. Now, I don't know if I would use the ground stake too much unless it's maybe your backyard and no one can access it, because I feel like it would be pretty easy just to grab the camera, take it, yank it, and go with it, and well, that wouldn't be any good at all. Now, we do have a tripod bracket here, which is just a little tripod, has some foam on it, and it does bend. So if you wanted to wrap it around some things, you probably could. And last but not least is the solar panel. So this part is what I'm extremely excited about. So the solar panel comes with its own little bracket. And here is the solar panel in general. So it has a very nice long cord to it, which is obviously micro USB Type-C port. Now I would say that the solar panel charging cable is probably about 8 to 10 feet long, and you would want this to be obviously in the sun, but it's pretty cool that we have one of these. And it is a little heavy duty. It's got some weight to it, so that's nice. It means it's not a, you know, a cheap solar panel in general. So I really do like that. And obviously, like I said, it comes with its own bracket. So now what we need to do is, well, we need to test it out. That will come in the next video, so make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. And if you want to check out the Reli Light Cam D1, make sure you check the link in the description below. And I will see you next time. Make sure you check this out, because we're going to try it out in different places to see how well it works. And other than that, take it easy, take care of yourself. I'll see you next time, and bye-bye for now.